And welcome to episode number 2 of the Shed, or HM, Canadian Shed Rescue Air Detachment. The drone is currently sitting on the ground in the parking lot right across from my house. And it should take off. Yep, here we go. We're hovering about, foot and a half, 2 feet off the ground, facing south. And it's going to sit here and hover for, 30 seconds or so, and then I'll take it up in the air and show you the trailer park we live in. On the other side of the fence there, you can see our home, which is a little blue garbage can in the front there. The building to the left is the laundry room. And this is a 15-minute video, and I haven't clipped anything out. I'm just playing with the audio features and recording and whatnot. I haven't gotten much into video editing, and this will get better as we go along. Add some music to the background and whatnot too. Okay, so I'm going to fly a little over the laundry room. Looking straight at my place there. I believe Casey, my wife, is sitting on the deck in the back end of it there. That's her car in the carport. Playing with the trim on the controls. Camera. Just to see how responsive it is. Come down a little bit and see if I can see Casey sitting there in the back. Right now we're about 6 feet off the ground, maybe at the most 4 feet, 6 feet. A double wide along to the left there. That's Paul house. He's the park manager. Okay, looking through, you can see the Her Majesty's Canadian Shed Rusty Guts, along with Casey's car. And there she is sitting in the back. See her? Yeah, she's flipping me off there. And heading up about 30 feet in the air. You see the top of the shed. The shed's got power, insulation, carpeting, fridge, full bar, big screen TV, sound system, ice maker, everything you need in your man shed. A little bit of a electric slide across the park. That red building to the right used to be called Buckley's Tavern. Now it's Mixteca, a very expensive Mexican restaurant. I have no idea why it's expensive. There's about 25 trailers in this park. So, all right, oh, Raul, he lives right behind me. Yeah, that's Raul's place. The white van. See how much bigger my shed is to the other folks. Mine's 10 by 10. It's a lot taller than the others too. Basically, it's a rec room. That's where I'm speaking to you from right now. But in the video, I'm actually in the parking lot. Our roof looks really good. Perfect shape. They completely overhauled our place when we bought it. Um, New carpet, new paint, all new appliances, new roof. It's 57 years old, same age as I am. 63 Speedster, they call it. I don't think it'll go very fast anytime soon. It's probably the longest mobile home in the park. We've got the carport. So I'm pretty happy with it. Downsizing, retirement. That blue double wide mobile home to the right hand side there. That's where the fire was the other day. My friend Steve, I think some homeless tweaker or whatever was back there cooking or doing something, cooking meth maybe, who knows. Caught his fence on fire. Now that's the monstrosity they built, the big white building. They built it a couple years ago and it's been empty ever since. It's just basically looks like a farmer's market inside or something. Weird. That restaurant there, top right, is it's pronounced Pho Kim, Vietnamese for pho or pho, P-H-O. I think the name is ridiculous, but what were they thinking? And at that main street there, that's 82nd, Southeast 82nd Avenue, also known as Highway 213. And that little hobby farm used to be a junkyard. It was a mess. The city ordered and cleaned it all up, and it looks pretty good now. So got rid of rat problems we were having the first year we lived here. They all seem to be gone. And where are we at now? Still hovering over the hobby farm. To the left of that big white building is a little double-sided strip mall where there's a little tavern there called Buddy's Tavern. And it's named after my buffalo head my father-in-law left us when he passed away. He called him Tatanka, and I still do. But they call him Buddy. He's hanging on the wall in there, and they made a logo based on the buffalo head shape. It looks pretty cool. And about to turn here to the left, I believe, towards Harrison Park. Right now we're facing east at about 250, maybe 300 feet up. This drone's great. It'll go up to about 360, 380, 380 feet. Um, for recreational use, 400 feet is the limit anyway. And right on the edge of restricted airspace here, so we can't go above 400 feet anyway. You have to file a flight plan, actually, even if you're below 400 feet. I just got my license about, FAA license about 2 hours ago. So next time I fly it, I will be filing a flight plan, which only takes about 30 seconds on a phone app now. And that's me in the wheelchair down there in the parking lot. And that tree is probably about 60, 80 feet tall. So just to put it in perspective, it's up there. And in a couple seconds here. We're going to turn this drone around and go across Highway 213 into the Portland Community College campus. Nice, fairly new campus. And as you can tell, with COVID-19 going on, there's not a single car in any lot around here, or even going down the highway. Everything is great for me. I can get around on my wheelchair without any problems now. Yep, and there's Buddy's. That's the second store from the left. That's Buddy's Tavern. There's that Hobby Farm again. Back to the trailer park to the south. Back into Kim's parking lot. And our place there in the center. Do a little slide to the right. And we'll go across the highway here. A little RV in the top center. It's Josh and Maria's place. They just bought it. I actually got to drive it for a while. It was pretty cool. It's got 3 slide outs on it. Okay, time for a trip across the road, I think. Like I said, this thing will go up to 360, 380 feet. And it'll go about 1,600 feet out. So it's pretty quick, too. 40 miles an hour. Has an auto home feature, auto follow feature. All right, we are at the Portland Community College campus. Empty parking lot. And let's see where we at. Yeah, still. And there's that monstrosity in the trailer park. And I hit the auto land button, or home button. It's built-in GPS, so it'll find exactly where it left off and land right there. So quite the drone for $189. Comes with an 8 gig SD card, which I recorded this to. 1080p camera. 2 batteries. Total flight time of 36 minutes. It's the Holy Stone 120 HD. I'll put a link in the description to it. So I'm going to be adding a lot more content to get better at this stuff. And if you click like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. Try and build up an audience here. Do all kinds of things, not just drone stuff. Here we go, landing right near my feet here. And nice soft bounce. And there we are. Thank you for watching. See you soon.